Bitcoin and altcoins right now are at a key decision point. Yesterday, I had put out a video saying that it looks like we're getting some positive signs for a bounce. Last night into today, we got one so far, but I want to see more. So I'm going to cover what's happening now, what we need to see for a continuation, for at least a relief rally up to the upside before any potential lower downside, if any, if this isn't the bottom. So straight out of the gate, we have a 1-day buy now signal flashing currently, but is not yet confirmed. We have to wait 9 hours and 5 minutes for the daily candle close to happen. And if that vertical blue line is still there, then we officially have a confirmed daily buy now signal with the Stargate signals. On top of it, we had wicked above this market structure ribbon and the 200 moving average, the simple and the exponential. I was saying that if we can get above there, hold that support, even better for potential further upside. But even right here, we have the 786. So at 57,580, we broke above, came back down, retested. Even if we can close the candle body above that level, I'll be cool with that by tonight. Because if we do, then we'll get that vertical blue by now. We'll be above the 786. And it's likely that we'll continue higher. So if we were to go and see a potential turnaround here, first level I'd want to see hold at least with a daily candle body close is around 56,750. And then if we go lower than that, then 56K, because that would be coinciding with this trend line and this horizontal line here. That's really the lowest I'd want to see it go. If we see it break, then probably it would be like a W, triple bottom, 1, 2, 3 like that. And then we could then send it up. So that's what I'm seeing right now. So far, so good. But we need to see confirmation by the end of today for that daily buy now signal. I had said that we got that 12-hour buy now back here. That's solid. But really, we need to get back above that 58, 59K level, hold as support. Then looking at the 2-day chart, let's see if we're getting close to flashing a buy now signal there. As you can see, the 12-hour buy now spilt into the daily buy now, which we're flashing right now. And if we can see that confirmed in a couple days trading above that level that I was talking about, then likely we'll see that 2-day buy now, which will be absolutely huge because that's what called the bottom back here in September before the big rally up. And if we do pop up, our first level that we're going to need to take out is around 61,500. That's the 786 from this high down to the low. That will be the level that we need to break and hold above for a potential new all-time high. As you can see, if we break above that 786, hold that support, we can target the 2618, which would be 85,000 right there. So let's look at the pump dump chart for the total crypto market cap. Right now at a key level, we broke down from that trend line. We formed a new resistance here. We have a support trend line coming up. We're doing like a broadening wedge. We're at a key moment right now. You can see multiple 786s here. So I'd want to see this get rejected ASAP so we can see Bitcoin continue to hold this level here and see a continuation higher. We're definitely at a point being 10:57 a.m. Where we are going to see what happens here. We're going to see that be a failed push up and us come right back down, or does this have legs here? Right now, at this time, we're about to see if this was a true push up or not. So that's going to be critical to watch the pump dump chart, especially at this key intersection and convergence of these trend lines in the 786. And then looking at Bitcoin dominance on the daily chart, we are starting to curl over, which is solid right now. And if you look at this, we got a trend line like this. So that's at a key moment as well too. Then looking at others dominance, this is something I've been tracking for a bit now. The 3-day chart, well, actually it's a 3-week chart where we had seen, just like back in December 2020, right before the big altcoin rally, we had seen the TSI will come from the bottom back here, come up, come back down, just like back here, come up from the bottom, come up, come back down. Stock RSIs in perfect placement like before. Same with the blue and the pink, MACD as well, and the RSI, same levels. So if this is going to hold true and it's going to be the same thing, then would be the bottom, and we'd start to really see some big movement to the upside as far as an altcoin recovery. And in my opinion, that would mean that Bitcoin would bottom too, would have bottom. So this is what I'm watching. It's definitely on my radar right now, front and center. Going on the weekly chart, we're getting close to that cross up. If we go down to a 5-day chart, even closer. 3-day chart is very close. 2-day chart just crossed up. So it's looking solid as potential that this is going to be the case here. So definitely July, we may start to fly. So that's going to be it. Nothing too deep. Same things that we're looking at and same thing that I covered in the market update yesterday. So if you're not already in the Discord, link is in the bio. Come join it and watch that. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. I will see you guys in the Discord and in the next video.